I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store. This is my outfit so far. Little pearl necklace moment going on, and it's time to do my hair. I'm thinking with this outfit, bubble braids today would be kind of cute. First things first, just make sure you have an even part down the middle, and then section diagonally as far as you want your bubble braids to go. And then I'm gonna divide it into 3 even parts. I'm just gonna clip them off. And I'm gonna take my little hair tie and I'm going to get the first section. Second section. Third section. Loosen them a little bit. First side done. This is the final look. Super cute.